Bharatiya Janata Party installed Lieutenant Governor Authority has once again placed all parties Hurriyat Conference senior leader Mirwais Umar Farooq under house arrest in Srinagar today. The authority put him under house detention to prevent him from offering the Jummah prayers at the historic Jamia Masjid and other religious and the social activities. Engineering community in occupied Kashmir has reiterated its long-pending demand for the implementation of the Assured Career Progression Scheme, highlighting stagnation and the lack of the career advancement opportunities that have hampered the morale and the productivity. Joint Action Committee of the Engineering has presented an impassioned appeal to the subcommittee tasked with examining the issues related to the ACP and the time-bound promotion schemes. All parties Hurriyat Conference has paid rich tributes to Mahaze Azadi founder Sufi Muhammad Akbar and renowned Islamic scholar Shamsul Haq on their martyrdom anniversaries. APHC spokesman Advocate Abdul Rashid Minhas, in a statement issued in Srinagar, said the living nations do not forget their brave hearts in any way who sacrificed their lives for the Kashmir cause. A devastating fire broke out in the Purniva village of the Kulgam district, leaving 3 houses gutted and 1 person injured. The official said that the fire erupted on the Thursday night and quickly spread to the nearby homes. A Central Reserve Police Force constable was killed and several others injured in 2 separate road accidents in the Udhampur district. A CRPF constable was knocked to death by a car near the Umara Mode area of the district. A young man was found dead under mysterious circumstances in the Udhampur district. A young man identified as Muhammad Yaqub, 30 years old, was found dead under mysterious circumstances around 8 kilometers from the Udhampur town.